Glory isn't light, it's a weight. Can you carry it right? That is what day 12 of our Hanuman Chalisa journey is about. The verse says, Raghupati kinhi bahutu badai, tumo mama priya bharatai sama bhai. Lord Rama praised you greatly, saying, you are as dear to me as my brother Bharat. Now, that's not just a praise, that's a divine praise. And it raises one timeless question. What do you do when greatness finds you? Because glory feels bright, yes, but it's heavy. And carrying it right, that's where most people stumble. Let me tell you a story, a true story. In April 2024, headlines across India celebrated a young man, D. Gukesh, 18-year-old, who became the youngest chess world champion in history. And he is an Indian as well. Every major newspapers carried his face. The Hindu, the Economic Times, BCC News, everywhere. But when Prime Minister Narendra Modi called him as embodiment of calmness and humility, the world expected him to speak like a champion. But what he said was this: I feel truly humbled by your generosity, sir. I have a long way to go. That line, it stayed with me because when the world was ready to crown him, he was ready to bow. When the spotlight hit, he didn't raise his chest, he lowered his voice. And in one of his earlier interviews, also, Gukesh had said,
The one thing my mom has, you know, been particular about is positive thinking and being a good person. Like she always, from the start, she says she would be very happy to hear people saying, her son is a great chess player, but it would be even more joyful for her to hear that her son is an even greater person. So that is something that has stuck with me forever. And right,
that is the kind of truth that outlives trophies. That's how you carry your glory right, by remembering that what shines outside must stay anchored inside. Now come back to Hanuman's story. When Rama said these words, Tumu mama priya bharatai sama bhai, it was after the war, Lanka had fallen, Ravana was gone, Hanuman had done everything that was impossible once, like finding Sita, carried message across ocean, even brought the mountain that saved Lakshmana's life. The whole army watched, and Rama, divine, kingly, full of grace, looked at Hanuman and said, you are as dear to me as my brother Bharat. Imagine that, to be compared to Bharat, the very symbol of loyalty, who refused the thorn and ruled Ayodhya in Rama's name for 14 years. There is no higher praise in Dharma. But Hanuman didn't smile. He didn't bow dramatically. He folded his hands, bowed his head, and said, and that I am, my lord, is your doing. I am the servant, the doer is you. That's the entire essence of this verse. Tulsidas saw that moment and wrote it not to glorify Hanuman, but to remind us what happens when divine recognizes devotion. Hanuman's radiance didn't grow with praise, it deepened with the humility. Because praise reveals what power hides, and that is your character. And here is the thing, even in our lives, we all have those moments when the boss says, you did it. When your name is on the award, when your family calls you their pride, those are beautiful moments, no doubt, but also dangerous ones, because ego loves applause. It whispers, you deserve this. But devotion says, you have entrusted with this. You are entrusted with this. Hanuman never owned his greatness. He carried it like a torch, not a trophy. And that's why his light never burned him. So maybe today your victory doesn't look like a world championship or a divine blessing. Maybe it's smaller, a project finished, a tough day survived, a little growth that no one clapped for but you. That too is glory. And you too must carry it right. Because glory isn't light, it's a weight. It's the weight of responsibility, of grace, of staying kind when you could be proud. Say this verse softly with me. रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरताई सम भाई. Feel that weight in those words, the love, the recognition, the humility that anchors it. Hanuman teaches us this: if success makes you softer, not louder, you have carried it right. If praise makes you more graceful, not greedy, you have carried it right. If power makes you remember your purpose, you have carried it right. So, here's your reflection for day 12. Who are you becoming when people start noticing your light? And how will you make sure it doesn't blind you? Tomorrow, in day 13, we'll explore how Hanuman's humility transformed into divine fearlessness, how surrender itself becomes strength. One verse a day, one quality to awaken, one light to carry right. Jai Hanuman.